we divide 458 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 458 divided by 5 is 91.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.